Marketplace, Roa City, and magmamarket tayo dito ng iba pang gagamitin natin at ng iba pang kakainin natin sa ating overnight camping for today. This is where we park our camper van today, guys. Let's go to the mall. Finally back in the van. Nalagay ko na lahat ng mga pinamili natin dun sa drawer sa likod ng camper van natin. And bumili din tayo ng manok. Nilagay natin siya dun sa ating orokan. Yan yung ice box natin. Hanap na lang tayo kung saan merong pagbibilhan ng ice along the way. Let's go na, guys! Alis na tayo dito. So, good luck sa atin, no? Tayo gaanong marunong lumabas dito. But then, we will try our best na makalabas dito sa parking. Nandito tayo ngayon sa harap ng Panay Church. Ayan, across Panay Church. We're waiting for our friend Liza once again. We'll be looking for a safer place for us to be able to camp overnight. Siguro sa resort. Then for day camping, hanap lang kami ng mga public places. Right now, since nag-aantay tayo kay Lisa and gutom na ako, I have here a banana. Kain muna tayo. Nili ko pala tong bananas kanina dun sa nadaanan natin. And I need water. Or juice. So, what's the plan?
Your plan is going to the beach and have a camp there. Naman.
Go get Kimi. Kukunin niya si Kimi. Ang dilim.
Go get Mayflower.
Wait.
Very good. Very happy. Pwede sa pihak, wala makakabot.
Ang tobe, ang kataasan niya, kung okay na.
Siguro.
Naman ba yun? Hindi yung malak. Wala ko lagi na, diba? Alright guys, we are finally camp right now and umulan kanina, biglang umulan, kaya nag-set up kami ng tent sa labas. So, andun si Lisa sa labas. You cannot see here because it's dark outside, but look around me. Ayan. Yan yung biglang dumagsa sa amin sa loob ng camper van nung biglang umulan kanina. Ngayon, dahil naglagay ako ng katol, thanks to katol, ayan na sila lahat. Dead. Expectation versus reality. Grabe. Hi, Kimi. Are you okay? Meron tayong katol. Hihit-hit muna tayo ng katol for now. Kasi hindi talaga kaya guys yung mga lamok. At least. Ayun o. Sa sahig o. Excuse me, Kimi! Nahilo na yung mga lamok dahil.
Yes, patay na silang lahat.
As
They're
in.
all dead.
Oh. Lamok. Look at this. And at the end of the day, your feet should dirty, your hair messy, and your eyes sparkling. Okay, dirty feet already.
There's a cat.
Messy hair already. Nini, I think you still look fresh. Nini, look at the camera, Nini. Wow!
I am cooking adobo with mushroom. And this is the first time that I'm going to eat mushroom.
First time niyang kakain ng mushroom. Di niya alam na favorite ko yung mushroom. It's
Now
really...
I know that it's your favorite.
As in, before, sa bukid, nag-harvest kami ng mushroom. Yes, sa farm. You know, Your Honor, I grew up in the farm, Your Honor. At ang naaalala ko lang, nung mga 12 years old ako, Your Honor, nag-harvest kami ng mushroom malapit sa nuno ng punso. Alam niyo yun, Your Honor. As in real ha, for real. Nakatira kami sa farm, sa bukid. Yep. Masarap.
Wala bali, asin din mo, asin.
Okay, andito guys. Look. We have everything. Salt. Do you need black pepper? Dinner time, you guys. So, ito yung ulam na niluto namin. Adobong chicken with mushroom. Yan yung mushroom and rice. Sarap. Now, nandito na kami sa loob ng aming camper van with all of these fairy lights. Ayan. With all of our fans.
Lukat talaga lagas. Oh.
So, manonood nga pala kami ng sine. Wow, sine ah. Ayan. So, movie time before we go to sleep. Siniset up ko pa, guys. Ayan.
I'm sorry. Let's get you in the car.
Guys, so the sunrise. This is the beauty of camping sa beach kasi you'll get to witness a beautiful sunset and a beautiful sunrise, and like every sunrise is a new blessing, so we are blessed. Sumisilip na. Wait lang, zoom in. Again, pumunta na kami dito para kumain ng kumain. Nagluto at kumain ng kumain.
Tara, kape.
Kape sa mainit na umaga.
Wala akong Ano ba yan?
Wow! Sino si Nadine Lustre? This is Siargao. And that's Nadine Ilustre. Breakfast. Thanks to Lisa for cooking scrambled egg. Thanks to me for slicing the fruits. And thanks dahil may natira pa sa rice namin, tsaka adobo namin kagabi. So, we still have a lot of food to eat for today. And it's Monday. Back to work tonight. Tonight for me. Back to work for me. And she is preparing for her grandest trip to New York. Sana all New York.
In my dreams.
Mayflower, you miss this. Dennis, Dad, my husband. Next time sama ka na dito, Dad. Everyone, so gala muna kami just around this resort. So once again, this is called Pawa Beach Resort. Yan yung mga cottages. Napakaganda, napaka-peaceful ng area na to. Lalo pat maaga pa, wala pang masyadong tao, pero for sure maya-maya meron ng mga visitors. Pahinga muna tayo dito, guys. Medyo napagod tayo kakaikot ng resort. I enjoyed the place. We're actually planning to transfer to another place, pero in the meantime, enjoyin muna namin to. Gusto ko lang talagang bigyan ng good impression itong resort na to. Very nice, very peaceful, tapos napakalapad, malinis, maganda. This is the relaxing moment. This is the much needed break that I really wanted this vacation. And mission accomplished. Na-achieve natin with the help of our friend Lisa. Let me show you where she is and what is she doing right now. And kasama ko dito si Kimi, the cutie dog. Ayun, ang camper van natin sa likod. Hindi ko talaga maligo. Mag-change outfit lang tayo, magsisimso tayo mamaya. We are once again back to the same beach where we are at last video. So, dito kami maliligo. Dito ako maliligo. Let's go change. Ready to ligo. Guys, ang daming jellyfish. Hindi ko takot lumangoy kasi baka dapuan tayo ng jellyfish. So, mahirap pa naman yun. Dami nila as in. Okay, we just decided to go home na, guys. Lisa, thank you. Thank you, Nate. Thank you for your company.
You're welcome.
And Kimmy! Kimmy! And Lisa's dog. Thanks for the company, you guys. Till next time. And goodbye sa bye-bye. Bakit parang so bright? Bye!